Welcome back to Take Apart. Subscribe if you aren't, and let's open this Ubiquiti Rocket M5 long-range bridge or base station. It is coming in this fancy package along with the hose clamp, cord, brake and manual. Brake has LAN and PoE port. Rocket M5 is lightweight device with 2 antenna connectors on the top and 1 Ethernet connector under the front cover. Next to it is a reset button. On front is signal strength and power indicator. Let's make it work. Brick, Ethernet cable to the PoE port and another side to the Rocket M5. Once it has juice from wall, LED appear telling you power is on. This thing can send internet miles away, especially with the sector antenna way over 60 kilometers. Please see another unboxing video linked in description of this. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Bye.